Welcome to Beacon of Books, where we turn the world's best books once into concise and powerful insights you can learn in just minutes.
Imagine yourself at the beginning of your journey, standing in front of a market full of companies, each one shouting, "Buy me!" But behind all that noise, only a few truly deserve to be called exceptional opportunities. This is where the journey begins. One day, there was a young investor, ambitious, energetic, constantly checking the news, tracking stock prices every minute. He believed the secret was in timing the market. He bought quickly and sold quickly, and each time he walked away with either a small gain or a painful loss, until he encountered an idea that changed everything. Don't look for cheap stocks. Look for great companies. And here, Fisher's philosophy begins. Instead of asking, "Will this stock go up tomorrow?" ask a completely different question. Will this company grow for many years to come? Fisher takes us inside businesses, not just into price charts. He reminds us that true value lies not in what you see on the screen, but in what you don't see: management, innovation, vision, culture, and the ability to scale. Imagine you are not buying a stock, but owning a part of a real company, one filled with people who work, plan, and dream. The young investor began to change. Instead of watching the market every minute, he started asking, what does this company actually do? Does it have a unique advantage? Is its management capable and honest? Can it grow consistently over time? He realized that the greatest companies are not the ones that look cheap, but the ones that are strong, even if their price seems high. And here comes the surprising insight. A high price is not a flaw, if the quality is exceptional. But how do you truly recognize a great company? Fisher introduces a method that feels more like investigative journalism than traditional financial analysis. Some call it the scuttlebutt method. Don't rely only on official reports. Ask, what do former employees say? How do competitors view the company? Do customers trust it? It's like building a complete picture, piece by piece. The young investor started digging deeper, visiting companies, reading between the lines, listening to what was not being said. One day, he found a small company. It wasn't widely talked about, but it had a unique product. Its leadership was passionate. It invested heavily in research and development. It was growing steadily. He bought its stock and waited. And then came the real test. Months passed, then years. The market went up, then down. People around him kept buying and selling rapidly. But he did something that seemed strange. He did nothing. Fisher teaches a rare lesson sometimes. The best investment decision is patience. But patience is not easy. In moments of fear, when prices fall, doubt creeps in. Was I wrong? Should I sell? Here, Fisher reminds us, if the company is still strong, if its fundamentals have not changed, then the price is just temporary noise. A true investor does not sell because of fear, but only when the story itself has changed. Over time, the small company began to grow. Its products spread, its profits multiplied, and its stock price rose significantly. The young investor did not achieve quick gains. He built real wealth. And here, Fisher reveals a powerful truth. Wealth is not built through dozens of trades, but through a small number of very right decisions. One truly great company can change your life. But be careful. Not everything that looks good truly is. Fisher warns against companies driven by temporary luck, management that promises more than it delivers, rapid but unsustainable growth. He emphasizes that the biggest mistake is investing in a business you do not understand. The young investor learned to say, "I don't know." And that was not weakness. It was strength, because he began focusing only on opportunities he truly understood. Among the most important lessons Fisher leaves us with, quality matters more than price. Management is the heart of a company. Real growth takes time. Patience is your greatest advantage. Deep knowledge beats speculation. By the end of the journey, the young investor was no longer the same. He no longer chased the market. He selected opportunities with calm confidence. He no longer feared volatility. He saw it as a natural part of the process. And he no longer asked, when should I sell? But instead, is this still a great company? This book does not just teach you how to invest. It teaches you how to think, how to be different in a world that follows the crowd, how to see what others miss, and how to stay steady when everyone else is shaken. In the end, the deeper message is this: investing is not a sprint. It is a long journey. And those who truly understand this are the ones who go the farthest.
This was a summary of today's book from the Beacon of Books channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive all the new content.